In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Meta Business Suite Planner. If you want to organize your content ahead of time and keep your posting schedule consistent, the planner inside Meta Business Suite is a really helpful tool. It gives you a calendar view of your upcoming content, making it easier to choose a date, prepare your post, and schedule everything in advance without having to publish manually later. To get started, open Meta Business Suite and look over to the left sidebar. From there, click on Planner. This will take you into the content calendar area where you can see scheduled and draft content in a more visual format. Once you're in the planner, click on the arrow to choose a day. This lets you move through the calendar and select the date you want your content to be posted. Taking a moment here to choose the right day is useful if you're planning a campaign, spacing out posts, or simply making sure your content goes live at the right time. After selecting the day, click on Schedule. This opens the scheduling options for that date and begins the process of creating a planned post directly from the calendar view. Next, click on Schedule Post. This will open the Post Composer where you'll build the actual content for your scheduled post. At this stage, you're moving from planning into content creation. Once the Composer opens, click on Save. This is a good habit because it helps preserve your progress as you work, especially if you are preparing several posts or switching between tasks. From there, click on Add Photo or Video if your post includes media. Adding visuals can make your content more engaging and can help your post stand out in the feed. Make sure the file you use is the correct one before moving on. Next, type your text post. This is where you add your caption, message, or announcement. Keep your wording clear and aligned with the goal of the quality of the post. If you're writing promotional content, double check tone and accuracy before scheduling. When everything looks good, click on Schedule. This final step confirms the date and prepares the post to be published automatically at the chosen time. And that's how to use the Meta Business Suite Planner to schedule a post from start to finish. Once you get familiar with this process, it becomes much faster to plan content in batches and stay organized with your social media calendar.